The most important thing in listening is reading the questions and understanding what is asked in the question. For example, what does Matt suggest they do? This question is asking for what? A thing, something. Alright. And you have to get the answer from Matt. Get the answer from Matt, not from the other speaker. Number 2, in which month? Only the month, not the date. If you answer date, wrong. It's a big month.
Only month.
Only month.
As
Yes.
specifically.
Yes. So you must target the month in the question. Say, where is Nikki? This is not where in English can be a place. It can be an activity. It can be a building. Can be a geographical area. Okay. Like say, where is Said? He is shopping. Yeah. He is in the village. So place. He is in Apollo Medical Center building. Where is Said? He is attending a class. That is activity. So it can be also activity.
Activity and place.
Yes.
Okay.
Here, how long? That means it's asking for the duration of time.
Duration.
Yeah. Duration. That means time. Like say, for example, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 years. What day of the week? That means the day of the week only. Thursday, Saturday, not the month.
Yeah.
Only
Saturday, Monday, like
that. This is called short answer question. In short answer questions, the technique is you must target what is asked in the question.
What they ask.
Yes. This is map reading.
Yeah.
So you have to understand the location. For example, the question is the location or the place of Nikki's house on the map. So you must know how to read the map. This is a road.
Main road.
Yeah, A33 road. And this is the river. Therefore, this is the bridge.
Bridge.
Yeah. So how to read this? It is A is after the bridge. The first house after the bridge. On your right. B after the bridge on your left. And C before the bridge on your left. Okay? So left and right, after or before. That's your to read. Now, also in listening, the stem, the keyword in the question, this is the stem of the question. The stem. And these are the choices of multiple choice. Sometimes the keyword in the stem can help you what to listen to answer the question. For example, the house has a bridge over the river. It's impossible.
Impossible.
So this is not an answer. So you can delete. You see, that is to narrow the choices. So it can be a swimming pool or it can be garden. Only, like that. Well, this is address. It's easy. Just follow what is the address. Western or west.
Western.
And western. Here is the other way around. This is 9339. The reverse. Telephone number. Another one like this. Each person has to give 10 pounds. This is money, food, and soft drinks, or drinks and food, and this is barbecue only. Now, they are to have a party. Understand? A party. Again, from the keyword here, you can detect also what is a wrong answer.
Yeah.
Is it possible that each person has to give 10 pounds? Refreshments, barbecue? Which one is not a good answer, a good choice?
10 pounds party.
What?
Barbecue?
Of course, barbecue. Because everybody...
I don't know this word. But
barbecue.
Barbecue.
Mishaki.
What?
Mishak. Barbecue, you know. Yeah. When you have a party, when you go in your third day of Eid, you cook barbecue.
Yeah.
With meat.
Yeah. Mishaki you call.
Mishaki.
Yeah.
All right. It is not possible that in the party everybody will give barbecue, right?
Yeah.
So this is a wrong answer. It's only between money and food. Yeah. So these are the choices. Okay? That's the way how to read the question, Said.
Okay.
Alright. Here. This is section 2. There is only one speaker.
One speaker.
Yes. So the technique is you have to follow the statement of the speaker using the keywords of the question. Here. The topic is about philosophy department, tutor's responsibilities. The responsibilities of the tutor in this department. The question here is about personal matters. These are your keywords. To refer students to other support services in the university, which from counseling to welfare. So the answer should be a verb.
Verb,
Yes, verb. Because normally in English, after the word which, we follow a verb here. Like which comes, which ranges. Yeah, like that. Okay. Which tell. It's a verb. So here this which refers to support services. So the technique for this is what verb you listen, what verb you hear from the speaker about this topic here is the answer. So that's why in completing, you have to complete this. Completing notes, the technique that you have to use is you have to target. You have to target the kind of information asked in the question. Alright. Here, the keyword is appointments. To make an appointment, students should write their name in a time slot in on the door. So, what is that? What is that?
Location of the...
Yeah, on the door. What is that in on the door?
In the paper?
Yeah, on the paper. Yeah, on the paper on the door. Or a list on the door.
A list on the door.
Yeah, like that. So here, these are about urgent matters. To speak to the tutor for urgent matters, students you should need a verb. Yeah, like after should, you need a verb. So what verb you hear from the speaker to talk about this is the answer. Alright, that's a technique. Well, these are multiple choice. You know already, huh?
Yeah.
How to read. So, tutorial registers in the department started last year. You know that. Most students. You know the meaning of annoyed? Most students were very annoyed by people arriving late.
Annoyed.
Most students were fairly annoyed. Annoyed means get angry.
Get angry.
Yes. They were angry. So they were very angry by people arriving late or not very angry. So very unfairly. Fairly means not very. Alright. Here in the tutorial there will be a review of the lectures. Here preparation for the tutorial each week may include. So these are your keywords. You have to understand this. And continuous assessment grades do not include. So what is not included in the continuous assessment grades? That's the question. Alright? Clear? Here, complete, write 2, 3 words. So 1, 2 or 3 words. The tutor hopes tutorial activities will have an impact. Impact means effect.
Reflect.
Yeah, effect on students what? Learning, scores, marks, grades, like that. So you must know how to predict. Good that you are predicting. Are you a nurse?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm studying.
You studied from Ibri?
Yeah.
And you are now working in Buraimi Hospital. I have students there, Adil.
Adil, yeah, I know.
Rokaya.
X-ray patients.
Yes.
Okay, Hapsi?
Yes. Rokaya, Rabah.
Rabah, I know. Yeah.
Yes, they were the students here.
Really?
In IELTS.
Yeah.
They finished already.
Oh, since that time.
Yes, they finished only yesterday.
They studies here
Yes.
with you, IELTS?
Yes.
Really? I don't know Allah.
Yes,
About them.
they finished.
MashaAllah.
Here, the students Section 3. There are two speakers. Huh? Alright. So one speaker will give you the keywords in the question and will lead you to the question. The second speaker will come and will give you answer to the question. So when you are listening to the second speaker, listen very well, make sense of what you hear, and then allow her to finish the statement. Then once he finishes, write the answer. Because sometimes he will give you one essay, 1,005 or 5,000 word essay, but it is not correct. He will disturb you. So you have to listen very well.
Until he finished that statement.
Yes.
The second speaker.
Yes. Until the question is finished. You have to understand. And the keyword is are discussing, meaning now. They are discussing now. Students are now discussing what? Because they discussed this, perhaps one of this yesterday. But now, what are they discussing? That is the way how to read the question.
Yeah, correct.
Which of the following can be included in the assignment? Which of the following?
Yeah, including the assignment.
Including. What a thing has to be handed in to Dr. Brightwell in 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks' time.
Yeah. Here, 24. Write no more than 2 words or a number. The question limit on the questionnaire is, what do you think is the answer? Number or words? The question limit. You know, a questionnaire. You know what a questionnaire is?
Yeah.
A questionnaire has questions.
Yeah, has questions.
Yeah. So the question.
Limit numbers.
Number. So you have to listen to the number. What is the question limit? 20, 30, 50 questions. This is matching points with to the speaker. These are the different points or different statements. You circle M for Mark and circle A for Anne. Alright? Now, what is your keyword? What is the technique here? What words you hear, understand, for the question. For example, 40 questions. This is the keyword. 40 questions. You hear it from Mark or from A, then circle A. So you are to watch out for these keywords. Very good. You got the keywords. 40 questions, simple, how active students are. Here say, the questionnaires do not need to have names. That means the questionnaires are anonymous. Anonymous means
without name.
Without name. You know that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. And 20 to 25 questions is the keyword. And here the layout. If you hear this word from Mark, then circle M. Who says this is the answer.
Okay.
Now, section 4. There is only one speaker.
One speaker.
So the technique is follow the keywords of the speaker. Follow the keywords in the question. And follow the statements of the speaker. Then the question is, in which year did the events below happen? You tick. Now look, the test begins with example. Dickens was born in 1812. Alright, that is the start of the question.
Yeah.
Do you think 31, 32, 34 is 1810?
No.
No, it should come after.
After.
Because it's events. Events happen chronologically. One by one, by order. So possibly this one is here, another one here, another one there, or another one there. And it is also wrong that number 31 is this, and number 32 is here, number 33 is here, number 34 is there, and number 35 is here.
It can't be like that.
It cannot be.
It must be by order.
Yeah, it should be. It can be like this. It can be like this. Because it is events. In our life, Said, events happen chronologically in order. 36, this is your keyword. Listen to this. Don't answer without listening to this.
Okay.
So watch out for this. So what happened in 1833? Which of the following took place in 1837? This is your keyword.
Publish.
Yeah. Which of the following? Here, good. Date. Good. The serialization of Nicholas Nickleby, the circuit, began in date. Date, huh? It can be year. Year because in.
Yeah.
Began in date or year. The first postage stamp, that is your keyword, was introduced in another year. Yes. And in the same year, that means year, and in the same year, the first thing was produced, so a thing. Very good. You know how to read now the question, huh?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Now, listen. Then after that, we'll have every Thursday, I will give you listening. One